Hey, we are so excited that you are looking at how to set up your system, your Watch Everything Free TV system. And so we're going to show you here. It's really simple. Obviously, you have to have your system, your TV, set up on HDMI. And some of them have 1, 2, and 3. So find out if it's HDMI 1 or 2 or 3. Once you got that set up, you plug in your box there with a power cord and the HDMI cord. And we want to, first of all, we want to go to Media Box Launcher. So you're going to hit the down arrow on that circle, and then hit OK. And then you got to click down on the arrow again on that circle on your remote, and get to just once. Click OK, and adjust once, and there you go. So the first thing we want to do is we want to set up the Wi-Fi connection. So we're going to use the right arrow on the circle on the remote, go over to, we're going to click settings with the OK button, and then we hit the network where we're at right now. You can see that's display. We want to do network, and then you're just going to click on network, and then you're going to see Ethernet or Wi-Fi. You're going to use the there's a mouse button that's at the about the 4 o'clock position. Lower 4 o'clock position from the circle there. You can see a little thing, a picture of a mouse. When you click that, it will create a mouse. So I'm going to click it, and then you can see a mouse on the screen. And you can go up and down with the arrows, and you can go left and right, with the arrow circle thing. And then when you're done using the mouse, then you just click the mouse on your remote, and it disappears. Now you're back to, this type of movement here. Okay, so you're just going to set up your Wi-Fi connection. And from there, we'll back out. So we're going to use the arrow that circles back. It's right below the blue volume button. And click backwards once we've got set up. And when we're done with that, we're going to just very simply go down and then go to the K button right there. Click on OK. And we are set up on our system. Everything's set up here. And where you're going to find most everything is you just, videos, go down, and you can go to add-ons here. And here's your favorites. Right here, these favorites. This is probably the ultimate one here for movies, Genesis. So we go up here, add-ons, to see all the stuff that you have. Now, if you go way to the right, or to the left, like that, with your arrow, it gives you the, this menu, and so you can use the OK button and click it. So you watch, it'll switch from thumbnail to the view info. Click the OK button, info 2, click it again, view list. I can move to the right to see the list, but go back to the left here with the circles with the arrows. And I don't want it like that. I want to click it again till I get that. I like the thumbnail, so stick it on thumbnail. Then just hit the right side at 3 o'clock position arrow, and that'll move that out of the way. So now you can check out what's available here. And if you keep going down, you just keep seeing more and more and more. And here's a couple of, here, I'll show you the Phoenix system here. This has a lot of sports, a lot of stuff here. But if you go one over to Phoenix, we found pay-per-views here. Click on that, and then go to sports. Click on the OK. And then from there, you go to live games and events. And then you scroll down, and there's the live pay-per-view events. And there aren't any right now. Okay, so we're going to do the backup button. And we'll back up again here. The other one here is Sports Devil. And for great sports, we'll go down to live sports. And maybe even live TV, but live sports. And I watched the Mayweather-Pacquiao fight right here on that channel. Just clicked OK on that. And it was listed down below here. Of course, it's over with now, but here's where you're going to find live sports. And obviously other stuff here too. Okay, we're going to back out of there. And I'll just go down a little bit more to show you what's. Then right there it says get more. You're going to hit OK. And that shows us some more here. So I'm going to go down there a little bit. Let you see what else we got. I mean, there are just a ton of stuff here. That's just the A's. Okay, we don't want to go too long on the video here. Cartoon HD, CBS, News Lives. Just a ton of stuff. Okay, we'll back out. But that should get you started. And, you know, it takes a little time to get used to it and everything. But you certainly are going to enjoy. Here, let's go to Genesis. Let me show you Genesis before we leave here. So there you can see latest movies, and channels and so on. So we can go, let's just go to movies. And there you can see language, by Oscar winners, and people are watching, and latest HD movies. And we'll go down to latest HD movies. Actually, let's go to in theaters. Okay, so this is what's in theaters today. There's Furious 7. That just came out a week or two ago. There was the fight right there. We'll just scroll through here. You see some movies you may have seen already. Hit next. So what you want to do when you click on one, you just got to let it, in the bottom right-hand corner, it'll say working, so it's setting things up. So let's here. Let's just click on this one here. And if you look at the, okay, well now they're showing the open stream up here. Okay. And we wait to see it come on board. Takes just a little bit of time to get set up. And usually you want to go with the top system. So you see it says HD. These are all in high definition. And you're going to want to click on the very first one. And so we'll click on that because that's usually your best bet. And there it is. That came up nice and quick. And the 1080p is the best, and HD is fantastic. And then from there's just HQ for high quality, LQ low quality. We like to watch the HD movies and the 1080ps. So there you have it. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you so much for watching and purchasing.